Hi guys, what's good? My name is Amazing Klef. Welcome to my YouTube channel and a new episode of Everything 5. Today we are going to be talking about 5 ways to make money from photography. 5 easy ways, 5 simple ways to make money from photography. If you're ready, I'm ready. Let's get straight into it. So now you know how to make great pictures or make good images, and you need to make money from it real fast. The first thing you can do is look for somebody to help shoot. You can, if you don't get bulk work or you don't get requests to shoot, but you know how to shoot, you can simply just send a message or an email to somebody that you think gets a lot of shoots, or ask them personally if you can help them do some shoot or assist them, or second shoot at a wedding or an event or any other situation where they need like an extra person to assist with the shooting. So that's the first way, and you guys can agree on what they can pay you for that particular service. Number 2, sell images, print or shoot for stock websites. There are numerous stock websites that you can sell your images on. Go online, do your research, and look for ways to create images that favor those platforms and sell on those platforms. A platform reached out to me last year or so, I think it was Free Pick or so, to also shoot for them. So they also have partnerships with photographers. You can write them or email them or look into which of them you can shoot for, and they will pay you for every single project. I think that's how it works, yes. So you can make a lot of money from selling your pictures on different sites. I don't want to give you anyone. I want you to go out there, do your research, look for the best ones that work for your style and kind of photography, and you can make a whole lot of money from that. Number 3, retouch or offer other photography services. If you know how to retouch, you can also become a retoucher on the side, or offer that to those that don't really want to do it themselves, or they also need somebody to assist them with bulk work or something. How do you get people to do this for? Don't be afraid to reach out to people. Don't be afraid to DM people or send them messages. The worst they can say is no, I don't have any work or whatever. But at least if you message like 10 people or 15 people, you should get like 3 to do that for. So don't be shy or whatever to sell your market, to sell yourself. And you can make a lot of money from just retouching for other people. If you have that knowledge and you have that skill, why let it waste? Why not make money from it on the side? So number 4 is teach photography. There is somebody out there that needs your amount or quality of know-how. Like how much you know, there is someone out there that wants to learn that much. Even if it is just how to turn the camera on and just take pictures in automatic mode, there's someone out there that wants to learn that particular thing. So find them, make yourself available to teach that, and take people and teach them that. People want to learn basic photography stuff like for traveling or for touring. You understand? You can teach them how to just take random and basic pictures of places they visit and stuff like that. Someone out there wants to learn how to just turn the camera on and just take pictures in automatic mode. So if you can offer that, you can make money from that. So you can teach anybody, somebody on your street, somebody anywhere, as long as they have the demand and you can fulfill that demand. That's all you need. And number 5, the final way to make money from photography is to go back on my YouTube, just go back a bit and watch my how to get clients as a creative video. Then you can get your own clients and make your own money from shooting those clients. Thank you so much for watching. Let us know if you have other ways we can make money from photography, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also let me know what you want me to talk about next. Can't wait to see you on the next video. Peace out.